Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies first. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Virgos. And I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you have any confusion, doubts, or if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. Virgos. So let's start with these cards. We have Two of Cups in reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and Ace of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, Virgos, in your situation, you have the person you love, or you have good things going for you in your career, but you need to put in lot of efforts, use all your talents and skills, and work with concentration to hold on to that success, or to make things go in a very positive way for you in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. So you are working hard, you need lot of efforts to sustain this happiness or sustain this relationship, guys. And maybe in your situation, guys, Virgos, there are people who are quite careless. They are not making efforts like you. So the quality of work may suffer because of that, or this person you love, they are not serious enough, or they feel that you are not serious enough about this connection. So you have a very playful and careless attitude, maybe, or this may be their energy towards this relationship, guys. So some kind of worries or stress, or that differences are that difference of opinion is there in your situation, guys. So it may be something in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. And today you are moving with a deeper commitment, or you want to move towards a deeper commitment in love. That may be the reason that you see that this person is not serious enough. They are not serious about you or about this relationship. So maybe for some of you, I see that this person may be much younger to you. You may have a huge age difference between you both, guys. And if it is something to do in your career situation, you are working towards a partnership or collaboration, guys, in your career situation, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. Sorry, guys. We have Queen of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your situation, in your relationship, this person you love, they may be quite jealous of you, guys, because of how things are going. Maybe you are quite successful, you are in a good position in life. So all that success, or all that positive things that are happening in your life is making this person quite envious, and they are hiding their true feelings or true intentions. They have some plans for themselves, and they are not revealing you that. So something, they are hiding something, guys. And if you feel that you cannot trust them enough, you should not make any important decisions in your relationship right now, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have King of Pentacles. So in your career situation, you are successful, and you are fortune is smiling on you guys. Things are going in a very positive way. Whatever you wished for, you are getting that results in your work situation, guys, Virgos. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you want more clarity, please watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card. Or we have these crystals. So we have 3 crystals. You can either think with the cards or the crystals. So go for that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card for you all after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this card and this crystal, let's see what it is. It is Sacred Convergence. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in your life now, right now, there is a great progress happening, guys. Something that is helping your soul to grow, or there is some kind of divine awakening. So you are asked to drop the barriers or defenses you have towards the people you feel good with. Maybe there are friends and family members you feel really comfortable with, happy to be with. And however, there are few people who are maybe inspiring you in a negative way. They are involving you in some kind of a blame game, trying for that manipulation, something that is dampening your spirit or dragging you down. So you need to step away from that, guys, and you need to feel nourished when you are with people you love, and share yourself without fear. Just be without any plans. Just do your part. Everything is going to happen at the right time, guys, and there is a great spiritual gift being presented to you now, guys. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance that there is a possibility of a very positive relationship happening today in our situation, guys, and growth of love. So just you need to make that choice. Trust yourself and your intuition, and then make the choice. So that way you will get lucky. You will find the person you simply love to be with whom you feel really nourished and happy. So that is the energy, guys. So maybe for some of us, when we step away from people who have a negative impact on us, we are going to lose many people, and there are just going to be few honest, truthful people in our situation. But we need not worry. These people are our soul family, guys, and they are going to nourish our souls, make us emotionally complete. So that is the reading, guys, with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. This is your second crystal, and this is your second card, guys. So it is amber. So with this crystal spirit, it just means that whatever lessons that we have learnt with our experience, our past experience, we always have a choice in our relationship whether we can stay or move away, to learn, to grow, or to move on to a new relationship. So if you want a different kind of a relationship, and if you want it next time, you need to understand what went or what happened in your past relationship, guys. So those lessons or that wisdom is going to help you to avoid repeating the pain again in this present relationship or in your future relationships. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to go for that wisdom or learning in your situation today or in your past, whatever you faced. You should try and learn that lessons, whatever happened to us, so that way we will not make the same mistakes again. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is the reading. So for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, let's see what it is. It is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation there is something tempting you, something which looks like a gift, wrapped up like a gift, but in truth it is a poison, guys, poison for your soul. So you need to think again and again before accepting that gift. So you need to refuse what is being presented to you, guys. Maybe it may be in the form of a relationship, or it may be in the form of some offers or opportunities. So you need to find your own way to power knowledge, to love and wisdom. But if you have accepted that poisoned apple, do not be afraid. You will recover, guys, but the pain you go through is going to give you that gift of experience and clarity in your heart about your relationship, guys. So you are going to change for the better with that learning. So maybe it is time, if you can avoid, it is time you need to be very careful, guys. And you need to examine the sources of your information and ideas when you are getting some from people. And you should not have too much trust on anyone or in any given circumstance. You should think twice before you step into some important decisions today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.